Ever wondered what it takes to turn your employees into leaders? At Delphi Star Training Center, we know the strong leadership is the backbone of success. That's why we partnered with Algebra Gallery for an impactful 2-day leadership development program. Led by our expert instructors, we equipped supervisors and HR professionals with crucial skills in leadership styles, emotional intelligence, decision-making, communication, team building and coaching or mentoring. But it wasn't all theory. Through real-world case studies and role-playing, participants tackled workplace challenges head-on. By the end, every participant left with actionable strategies to drive success. And of course, we believe that learning should be engaging. With interactive group exercises and fun activities, participants bonded as a team while sharpening their leadership skills. We're proud to have trained such a dedicated team and can't wait to see their new skills in action. Want to empower your leadership team? Partner with Delphi Star Training Center for world-class corporate training solutions. Contact us today.